safety while motoring through Monstropolis. Please keep...
Here's the water right here.
Hello. If you are new to the area, the Monstropolis Chamber of Commerce would like to welcome you. While you're in town, be sure...
We interrupt this program for a special report. A child is on the loose in Monstropolis. A human child!
If witnesses are to be believed, there has been a child security breach for the first time in monster history.
We can neither confirm nor deny the presence of a human child here tonight.
I tried to run from it, but it picked me up with its mind powers and shook me like a doll.
It's true! I saw the whole thing!
Happy birthday, Schmoopsy Poo!
Oh, googly bear!
This human child froze me with its telepathic control. It made me dance like a chicken. My thoughts were not my own. Then it grabbed the giant...
Oh, Boo, we gotta get you home.
There's a kid here! A human kid!
This way.
We are at the scene, number one. Keep on unit, George, and ready. Spread out and lock it down. I am the girl's picture. All clear over here.
Hi, hey, work. Nice. Yeah. Looking exciting. Yeah, happens.
Hurry up, Sully, hurry up! I've got both doors set up on the scaffold.
Are you done yet, Boo?
Race you to the scare floor.
They'll never find her door now.
Look, Boo, there's your door.
We're almost there, kiddo.
Not so fast, Sullivan. They'll never get her home now.
2319!
Oh, dear.
It's been the most terrifying day of my life. But I love you, kiddo.
Good night, Boo. Kitty's gotta go now. Sleep tight.
Careful and thorough observation of the perimeter. We quickly went through the situation status to 990. We can neither confirm nor deny the presence of a human child here tonight. We responded to a 23 We spread out and locked it down. After careful and thorough observation of the perimeter, we quickly rendered the situation status